There's one over there too. So that's
I like those. I want one in my yard.
so now the other one. See the elephants.
Jump in the elephant cage. Is that cool? Matt,
I wouldn't care. I mean, whatever. It's up to you if you want to get
I'm
charged.
gonna go swim with the elephant. Is that cool?
Sure.
Dive through the electrical shock. I'll just walk through it.
Yeah. You get through all kinds of places. That's for them.
That's for them, not to.
Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts in there. I'm gonna make butter ice coffee in a minute.
Okay, those are the.
There they are. Look at this guy here. He's lotion. Over here, guys.
They do need lotion. Oh, Dell's. Oh, Dell's lemonade.
Like a regular stuff. Wouldn't that be so cool? Which minus the testing. Minus the elephant. Minus the green water. Minus the green water.
Dad, that's pee.
What?
That's pee bubbles. Ew.
I know.
You guys are not dry.